On today's edition of Forever Home, it's demolition time. Church asked us if they could rip out the soundstage for them. It's made of some heavy-duty steel underneath. They got some platforms going on in there. So they're unpacking all the equipment, getting it out of there, and then we are going to get our team in here, and we are going to start ripping and tearing, getting this thing out of here so that they can build something that's going to work for their needs a whole lot better than what they got going on right now. This has become a little bit too cramped. It's a little bit too high for the sound guys to really hear what's going on, and they just need something different. This is no longer workable. So our team's going to get in, gut it, and rip it out. So let's get going. Here we go. All right, the skirting is off, the wall's cut off, and working on removing the decking now so we can finish cutting this apart. We got a big pile of debris here. Got our sheet metal off. And so now it's just a matter of getting the decking up and then sectioning this up into some smaller pieces so that it'll all fit in the dump trailer, and we can take it down to the scrap metal place and get rid of stuff. So, in progress, making stuff happen, and getting things done. Demo day is always exciting. Ryan's working on getting new stuff put together. So a little bit of cutting left to do to finish taking this apart, and then on to the next step of building the new stuff. And the guys are going to finish cutting this last piece in half. And voila, is gone. Now, if only it were that quick in real life, but here on the video, the dishes are done. So we got this all cleaned up. Norm did a fantastic job vacuuming up after things were finished. Already got Mike and German out of here, and they're on to their next project for today. So no more ginormous soundstage, which is really going to help them out a lot, because when you think about being in a position where you've got the speakers coming down, if you're up too high, you can't hear what everybody else is hearing in the congregation. So this is really going to help the audio guys out a lot with what they're doing here. And Ryan's already working on getting his new stuff put back together on the new desk, and then we'll just have to get moved that back into position back there. So this is Drew in beautiful 𝗓𝘁'𝘀, Pennsylvania. If we can solve a problem for you, give our team a call. We have a dedicated office staff standing by weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Coat-Built, your full service construction and renovation company, and extension 2 for new projects. And our team will be happy to assist you. Fastest way to get hold of us, take a picture of your problem, send it to us right here on Facebook. Click that contact us button at the top, send us a message with your contact details and a photo of what's going on, and our staff will work to get you a quick estimate on what it's going to take to solve that for you. If you're watching on YouTube, mash that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell. We're giving you all kinds of fun tips from time to time on how to improve things at your house and how to interview a contractor. Make sure you're getting somebody that actually knows what they're talking about. This is Drew in 𝗓𝘁'𝘀, Pennsylvania. When we're finished with it, you'll be proud to say it's not just done. It was Coat-Built. We'll catch you in the next edition of Forever Home. Bye for now.